Okay, hello. Um, my name's my name's Neptune the Verrier. I'm the department head of quantum physics here at the University of Ostia, and um, I want to present to you a project that I think could revolutionize the way that we conceive of the multiverse, despite how inane that might sound. Um, So, introduction, if you don't already know, a contact was made with the parallel universe, which was after a 50-50 probability event was done in the University of Centralia, I think. Um, Further experiments have confirmed their findings, and many have begun to map the multiversal field. Data gathered in collaboration with cooperative universes are consistent with the many worlds model. Further experiments are still being done to determine the consequences of interversal contact, but if there are any at all. And while many worlds has recently been supplied with enough evidence to be accepted, other theories regarding the parallel universes occurring alongside multiverses, alongside many worlds, have not been disproven yet. So as you know, we recently did an experiment to confirm the findings of Centralia. And here's one of our senior researchers and a demonstration as to contact between multiverses. She should be in the she should be available if you want to talk to her. So the rationale, multiversal charting has revealed that the growth of the multiverse is not a smooth exponential curve, which is what's expected from pure many worlds interpretation. And our team has gathered data based on a fan-run writing community, which originates from 10 Woods of Wisdom, which is a niche creative writing competition, which seemingly coincides with a dispersed cluster of universes that haven't been confirmed to originate from the many worlds network, with growth patterns that are strikingly coincident to noise seen observations. And this data, if confirmed to be not a symptom of correlation causation, is strong evidence of information in one universe manifesting changes in distinct universes, separated by quantum spacetime. This model of universes, which from now we'll be referring to as theoretical worlds of will, or TWOW, the TWOW model, may provide insight into the origins and additional unpredict may provide insight into the origins of unpredict may provide origins into the may provide let me restart. This model of parallel universes, which from now will be this model of parallel universes, which for now, God, I should have stayed up. Shit. This model of parallel universes, which from now we'll be referring to as theoretical worlds of will, or TWOW model, may provide insight into the origins of additional unpredictabilities which are not explained by the many worlds model. So the hypothesis, concepts conjured by this community appear as TWOWs, or theoretical worlds of will, as you know, that appear to be disconnected from the primary many worlds network. Thoughts affect the forces in this perpendicular multiversal plane, akin to dark matter, forming proto-worlds with matter originating from past worlds. So, like how in our universe, um, star clusters and protostars are formed from remnants of supernovae. Similarly, proto-worlds are formed from matter which originates from past worlds. So akin to stardust or remnant. If an idea is made real with enough sheer will, the corresponding proto-world reaches a critical mass and becomes a manifested world of will, or an MWOW. In MWOWs, presumably, all decisions and stories thought of by the originator of the idea manifest in the world, though it remains unprovable until we make contact with one of them. MWOWs remain stable until the originator of the idea moves on, forgets or completes the idea, at which point it transitions into a transient world of will, or TWOW. TWOWs slowly lose mass, which just to so yeah, they lose the multiversal mass, akin to like akin to like a crunch of the universe. If left untouched, though they never fully disappear. Our model charts people revisiting ideas or ending long periods of inactivity in the trial community as associated TWOWs pausing decay rather than returning to full size. Given all this, these um, given all these prerequisites, and along combined with the data collected from um, the collected regarding the history of all of the ideas made by this community by volunteers in said community from years gone by. The computer simulation we've made matches remarkably well with observed data. With give yeah, the computer simulation we've made matches the computer simulation we've made mark. Ooh, the computer simulation we've made matches incredibly well with the observed data if you follow the timeline of the 10 Words of Wisdom community. Okay, however, the number of universes in the system seem to exceed the number of universes that are documented in the community, which means that either other converses affect this plane, or universes on the plane can themselves create universes on their own plane. Both these hypotheses, if proven true, raise massive questions regarding the creation of the universe and the effect other universes may have on our own. Given the data, I propose the latter being true, despite that being more insane when compared to the former. But I think that the data itself proves it. Um, Going into